Is your money transfer service ripping you off on exchange rates? It's a question many of us have asked, especially when sending money internationally. You see a low transfer fee advertised, but then wonder, what's the catch? Is there a hidden charge in the exchange rate? This is a common concern, and it gets right to the heart of how international money transfers actually work. Many services will offer a seemingly great deal on fees, but they make up for it by adding a hidden markup to the exchange rate. This means that the rate you see isn't the true mid-market rate, which is the real rate at which currencies are bought and sold. That small difference can add up to a lot of money, leaving your recipient with less than you intended. So, does Paysend charge exchange rate fees? The short answer is no, not in the way many other companies do. Paysend's model is built on transparency. They provide a competitive, real-time exchange rate that is locked in at the time of your transaction. This means what you see is what your recipient gets. Instead of hiding a profit in the exchange rate, they charge a low, fixed fee per transaction. This fee is clearly displayed up front, so you know the exact cost before you hit send. For instance, it might be a flat fee of just $1.99 or £1, regardless of the amount you're sending. This approach is designed to be simple and predictable. By separating the fixed transfer fee from the exchange rate, Paysend aims to ensure there are no surprises. You can see the full breakdown of your transfer in the app or on the website, the amount you're sending, the fixed fee, the exact exchange rate, and the precise amount your recipient will receive. This transparency is a key part of their service, giving you peace of mind that your money is going exactly where you want it to, without being eroded by hidden costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.